After the velocity exits the startup sequence, it's ready to use. By default, the fryer will start the day in cool mode, which is approximately 250 Fahrenheit or 121 Celsius. Let team members know that at any time, if they want to see the current temperature, set point, and pressure of the fry pot, just press the info button. Now show them how to start a timer. Press the select button next to the desired product. By default, only 4 products will be displayed on the control. However, the velocity control is capable of displaying several pages called cook menus. Each cook menu has different products or groups different products. To access the different cook menus, press the selection button next to the left and right arrows at the top of the display. For KFC controls, you can also select different cook menus by using buttons 1 through 0 at the bottom of the control. After showing team members how to find their set points, remind them that it is very important before they start breading product to press the select button next to the corresponding product to get the fryer to start heating from cool mode. This makes sure that the fryer can heat up to the product's set point temperature before the product is loaded and ready to drop. So after the team member selects the product that they are getting ready to drop, the fryer will heat up to the set point temperature. It will then show ready on the display. Show team members using the fryer how to load product from the bottom up. This makes sure that the oil fully covers the product. If only dropping 2 head of chicken or 1 rack, use the second slot up from the bottom of the carrier. If dropping 4 head of product or chicken, which would be 2 racks, use slots 2 and 3. For 6 head, racks 1, 2, and 3, and then for 8 head, racks 1, 2, 3, and 4. Always place an empty rack or basket over the uppermost rack of product. This holds product in place on the uppermost rack as it is pushed down into the oil. As a side note, KFC uses racks and a handle that are not provided with the fryer. On the other hand, General Market uses baskets and a larger handle that are provided with the fryer. Once product is loaded, close the lid, then confirm by pressing the flashing select button by the arrow next to ready. The timer will then start to count down. After product's done, the fryer automatically starts a quick filter. This is where only about 1 inch or 2 or 3 to 5 centimeters drains, and then the filter pump motor turns on to wash the crumbs down the drain. After the quick filter, the fryer enters cool mode. In between cook cycles, always stress the importance of wiping down the pot band and not to hit it with pot scrapers or basket handles. Then show team members how to wipe down the display. You press info twice and then the select button next to the check mark. That'll hold the display so you can wipe it down. Sometimes when a product is selected to exit cool mode, the fryer will display auto mix in 30 seconds and then start counting down. The auto mix is a feature that makes sure the bottom of the fry pot stays hot enough to keep breading from sticking to it. This greatly reduces the time it takes to clean the fryer during the daily clean. It does this by draining just a couple inches of oil to the drain pan and then pumping this oil back up. This raises the temperature of the bottom of the fry pot. When the auto mix feature counts down, it gives the option to either start it immediately with a check mark or cancel the auto mix with the X. If the timer counts down to 0, it will automatically start the auto mix cycle. Stress the importance of not skipping this cycle, as it really helps keep cleanup time to a minimum during the daily clean.